guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Chris Han. My Instagram is chrishanxoxo. So when I saw this LED face mask on Instagram for the first time, I was like, oh my god, is this the future of skincare? You know how much I enjoy trying new things for my skin, and this LED face mask has been on my wish list for so long, and finally I tried it. Thanks to Qure Skincare, they sent me this Q-Rejuvalight Pro Facewear to test it out. And this one, as you can see, it's like really fancy, it's like robotic, very futuristic. Does it really work? I've been using this product for 2 weeks. I'm really excited to share some of my results with you guys and some thoughts about this product. Since this face mask is pretty fancy and its package looked fancy too, so I want to start with an unboxing first impression from 2 weeks ago when I first received it. So let's go. Okay, so this is the box I received from Qure Skincare. This is the Q-Rejuvalight Pro Facewear. When we open this box, look at this. It's a beautiful face mask. The color is like mint green and it's like matte finish, looks pretty premium. And on the other side, you can see all these light bulbs, LED lights, distributed evenly on the mask. And the second layer, you can see there is a little drawer with all the accessories. It comes with a storage bag. And also here is a head strap. It's adjustable and detachable. And also the charging cord. It's the USB charging cord. So this is the face mask. It's basically a clinical grade light therapy mask that's customizable to treat different areas for different issues. The goal is to make the skin look smoother, younger, with less blemishes. So usually we get this kind of therapy, this kind of treatment in office by practiced hands of our estheticians or skincare experts. It's basically like very professional skincare treatment, but now with this product, this facewear, we just bring this in-office, in-clinic treatment home. So it's like a lot more convenient. But you may ask, what kind of technology does it use to treat the skin? Is it safe? Is it effective? And I just did like a little bit of research. This is a technology by NASA. So some skincare experts use NASA technology and adopt the technology, the LED light technology, into skincare treatment. So basically, the LED lights can penetrate the skin to reach the collagen fiber layer, so to stimulate the skin to work harder to recover from any wounds or any skin issue. So that's how it works, and it's 100% safe. It's approved by a lot of professionals. From my experience, it doesn't cause any discomfort. This is like a very, very important part for me, and I don't want to hurt my skin. Basically, it's non-invasive. So this technology solves skin issues from inside out. And also it doesn't use any products like any liquids, any lotion. So it's just like all natural. And this mask from Qure is the first customizable LED light therapy mask. It sends 2 different types of lights, anti-aging or anti-breakouts. You can choose different modes depending on your skin concerns. And I downloaded the Qure app to customize my treatment every time. So in the app, I can see the 5 different areas on the face covered by this face mask, either anti-aging or anti-breakouts. So it's totally customizable. If you have different skin concerns, you have mixed skin issues on the face, you can definitely try this customizable face mask. So about the 2 different modes, the LEDs of anti-aging treatment actually penetrate deeper in the skin. It repairs your sun damage and also help you with your collagen production and also stimulate your skin to absorb your skincare products better. So that's why it helps to fight against signs of aging. And the LEDs of anti-breakout treatment actually focus on killing the bacteria that cause your acne, and it's to help you fight against your inflammation. So that's why this product can help with so many common skin issues, fine lines, wrinkles, inflammation, unevenness, breakouts, acne, and a lot more. Each treatment is 3 minutes. It's not like too long. It's pretty convenient with the adjustable strap. You can wear it. You can go hands-free. So you have to dedicate some time, like every day or a couple times a week, for maximum results. And I'm gonna show you how to use this face mask step by step. First, prepare the skin. Wash the face with cleanser and pat dry. And then, turn on the mask, press the Q button. Connect the mask with the app on the phone. Customize the treatment for each area. And then, enjoy your treatment. After 3 minutes, the mask will turn off. Wipe the grease on the mask with a damp cloth. Let it dry and store it for next use. So for my skin, I use anti-breakout for forehead and the temples. And for the rest of the face, I use anti-aging. In the past 2 weeks, I saw visible differences. First of all, the breakout marks, the acne marks here and here on the face. And this one was from last year and this one was from like 2 months ago. And these marks were faded a little bit and I was like very happy because they're like so stubborn. They're pretty dark and this one is like a little bit bumpy as well. So for the anti-aging treatment, I think it's more gradual. It's been only 2 weeks, but I started to see some improvement on my smile lines. And this is amazing already because I've been trying like a lot of different products to fight against aging, fight against gravity, and I think this product would definitely work, but it takes time. It's not like overnight difference. So in 2 weeks, my skin is healthier and smoother, and the skin tone is more even than before. I am pretty happy with the results so far, and I'll be consistently using this face mask, this treatment every night. So I'm like literally obsessed with this face mask right now. First of all, it's very easy to use, only 3 minutes a day, and with the adjustable strap, it's pretty comfortable to wear. I like the design overall. And this treatment doesn't require any chemical products, it's all natural. And it's pretty effective. You can see immediate results after the first few uses. And for maximum results, it takes up to 10 weeks, so you have to be patient, spend some time on your skin. So for skincare, I really like this kind of experience. It's progressive, it's gradual, and it's very safe. And with the Qure app, I can track my progress. I can also plan my treatment. I can schedule my treatment ahead of time. And I also like to customize the treatment every time because the skin condition is always like changing. So it's nice to have the flexibility to change, to adjust the treatment depending on the skin condition. Now with this face mask, you don't have to go to your clinics anymore. You can get your in-clinic professional skincare treatments all at home. It saves the trips to clinics and also it saves a lot of money. And this face mask is only $349.99, and you can use my code CHRIS10 to get additional discount. So with that being said, I highly recommend this LED light face mask from Qure Skincare. If you want to be ahead of the skincare game, you should really check this out. I wish they could make more LED light masks for my hands, for my neck, for my chest, for different areas of the body. So that's the end of the video. If you have any questions about Qure Skincare or this Q-Rejuvalight Pro Facewear, you can leave a comment down below or DM me on Instagram at chrishanxoxo. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!